Mr. Bruce, are you all right? Sir, are you there?
Give me a moment, Alfred. I'll be fine.
You're not looking too good, old boy. It won't be long now till I'm behind the wheel. Just think of the fun we'll have then. Brains, brawn, brutality, the full package. We'll have Gotham at our mercy. And you know what the best part is? You'll be there with me every step of the way, watching it all from the passenger seat. I don't know about you, pal, but I can hardly wait.
Master Bruce, are you okay?
Better.
Thank goodness. That's a relief indeed. You should know, sir, that the levels of fear toxin in the atmosphere are interfering with the Batmobile scanners. You may struggle to track the cloudburst.
Ivy, I can't track the cloudburst in this gas. Clear out as much as you can.
I can't, Batman. My plants are too weak.
Then tell me where to find another.
There's a tree buried deep beneath Founders Island. The Miyagani people called her Ayana.
I'll find it.
Tonight, the Batman failed. Tonight, fear ruled.
I'm on Founders Island. Time to scan for Ayana's roots.
I knew it was the plan, but it's just so real now. You know?
She's waking up. Keep going, please. That's it. Not far now. She stirs, Batman. Keep searching.
Alfred, I've located Ivy's plant to process the remaining toxin, but the sonar can't penetrate deep enough to release it.
One moment, sir. The new extension to the Gotham subway is under construction directly beneath your location. I believe you'll find an access point in Port Adams. Will that suffice?
It's a start. Send me the location. Ivy, your plant's buried too deep. I need to head underground.
Hurry, please.
I've reached the container yard, Alfred. I need access.
Of course, sir. I must warn you, scans reveal there's a considerable number of the malicious tanks inside.
Not for long. They're between me and the plant.
Sir, they've locked the entrance. It's a trap. I've got him! He's by Port Adams! Multiple strike! Drones offline! Drone holding position! Under fire! Glad you got the wheels back. I want a proper fight when we meet. Rattler offline! We lost one, sir. He's bleeding.
need to find a way to reach the center of the container yard.
He's broken through the outer defenses. Drone flight initiated. Taking fire. Confirm multiple hits. Over. Drone down. I get to be the one who killed the city. Hey, your time will come. Batman just took out a Diamondback. Sir, I've got a system shutdown on multiple drones. He's using an EMP, Sergeant. Reboot systems now. Drone's been hit. It's still in the fight. Scarecrow, you read me? He took out the container yard drones. He's wasting his time. There's nothing there.
Nothing we know of.
I can't believe you're still running errands for that titillating tree hugger. Honestly, Bat, I thought we were making progress here. Are you really gonna let Plant Lady turn this place into her own personal garden? Have you seen what's happening out there? It's a Joker wonderland!
What do you seek in those tunnels, Batman? Hope? You will find none. I once searched for terror in chemistry. I thought perfectly arranged atoms could unlock the demons in a man's mind. You proved me wrong.
The drone sensors are temporarily disabled, but I can only hack one at a time. So the previous drone will be back online.
when it has you, a stalwart knight ever ready to slay monsters. Fear isn't pure biology, Batman. It's more than instinct. True fear is the absence of hope. And hope is the spread wings of a bat, shining on the clouds.
Oh, you're not still digging around for Ivy's ancient shrubbery, are you? It's over then. Barbara's dead, Gotham's choking on Scarecrow's crazy juice, and your popularity's falling faster than the flying Graysons on Bring Your Kid to Work Day. There's nothing left to fight for.
You promised that Gotham would be safe, protected. But what does the world see now? My toxin choking its streets, blotting out the moonlight, poisoning the saplings you thought could stop me.
Do you need me to spell it out for you? Scarecrow's won! There's no city left to save. So quit with the heroics and start embracing your Joker side.
Master Bruce my sincerest apologies, but my search for the Arkham Knight's identity has proved fruitless.
Nothing?
I have a short list of candidates we cannot fully eliminate, but no, I have no likely suspects.
Shift focus to former Arkham staff. Hugo Strange had ulterior motives. Quincy Sharp was unstable.
Are you saying the Arkham Knight is a co-conspirator looking to finish their work?
Exactly.
You're there, Batman. I can feel it. The pulse must be stronger to free him. I hear her, crying and trapped.
Attention.
You need to protect it. I don't know how much longer I can hold on.
Sergeant, there's a weed grown tall in Divinity Churchyard. Cut it down. Sending drones in now, sir. Mama's been hit.
I can help you crush these tanks, Batman, but you must stay close to the churchyard.
Twin Rattler offline. Armor holding. Twin Rattler hit. Confirmed contact with multiple organic defenses. Ivy's still helping him. Send in more drones. Ivy back to wrong man. Armor breach on Mama drone.
Keep the fight near the churchyard, Batman. That's where I can strike.
Alpha targets hit a drone. Target hit a drone. Armor still intact. Wasted a Twin Rattler.
Nature always wins.
Twin Rattler down.
I can help you crush these tanks, Batman, but you must stay close to the churchyard.
Cannot let her harden the bark. We'll never get it down. It's like she knows exactly where to strike. Alpha target just hit a Diamondback. Armor breached. Drone's been hit.
Keep the fight near the churchyard, Batman. That's where I can strike.
Mama offline.
They're no match for me.
Drone holding position. Under fire. She took out a drone.
So weak, these little machines.
Scarecrow, Divinity's assault's taking heavy losses.
Don't fret. This tree won't make any difference. Ivy isn't strong enough to purify Gotham. No one is.
I can help you crush these tanks, Batman, but you must stay close to the churchyard.
Dragon's been taken out. Dragon down.
Keep the fight near the churchyard, Batman. That's where I can strike. strike.
Diamondback's hit! It won't take another strike!